In today's video, I'll guide you through the process on how you can measure your heart rate on the Amazfit Pop 3R. So make sure that your watch is not too tight or too loose when it's on your wrist. Then from here, on your watch face, simply swipe through the various options until you reach your heart rate monitor, and then simply wait for your heartbeat to be measured. Then once it's been measured, you should see it appearing in beats per minute. If you wish to view every other measurement that you've ever taken, even if it's by accident, then simply open the Zepp Active app on your phone. Then from here, scroll until you get to heart rate, then tap on it. And then from here, you will see your current heart rate over the course of a day, as well as your average heart rate, the maximum and the minimum. If you want to view in a week, then you can tap on the option week. You even have the option for a month and for a year. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.